So this morning I'm making a smoothie. I've got half a banana, some pineapple, the end of the orange juice and the end of the mango juice. And I've been using this stuff because it says it's got 22 superfoods and probiotics and immune system support and all sorts of stuff like that. Actually tastes absolutely disgusting, which is why I've had it for so long. But if you just put a tiny little bit in, it's all right. Here I am with Grammy. We love her and we miss her, but hopefully she knows how well we're all dealing with this and she's proud of how healthy it's making us. So, I love you, Grammy. Hi, Grammy. You'd be really proud of me. I've given up smoking and I've started running. I'm super healthy now. Hello, little dog.
There's Barney.
Oh, no, stop!
Barney, come
Stop!
on.
Go away!
It's because he wants to play, sorry.
Go away!
Barney, come on.
I'm really allergic and scared. Really scared. Stop it! Stop it! Barney, stop it! Stop it!
Try not to shout at him, he'll be fine.
Barney, I don't know how to stop him. What's this? What's that? Ready? Got it. What's that? How do I? Can you grab him? Can you stop him?
I'll try.
Oh my god. Stop it. Oh my god, why? Why is he attacking me? I don't like it. Stop it.
Yeah, stand up there, he just wants to play. Come on. Barney, this way. Come on. Shh. Right, that's it. No. This way, move.
I think I'm having an anxiety attack.
It's okay. Just sit down.
So I just got absolutely petrified by a dog who just would not stop barking at me, and I had to jump up on Gummy's bench. It was quite terrifying. I don't know. And the thing is, I couldn't touch it or the owner or anything. So it's just like, what do I do? Look at my hands, man. Shaking like crazy. So over here, we have seagulls plotting world domination. They're the seagull army and they're discussing how to take over the world after Corona kills off all the humans. The seagull army will never rest, will never sleep, until seagulls are in charge of the world. So Lorna, how do you feel about the seagull army taking over the world?
Fucking monsters, mate. They're gonna get us. They're gonna steal my chips. Well, at least we haven't got any chips for them to steal. That's a bonus.
Do you think that maybe they deserve to be leaders of the world at this stage?
They are pretty bold. I'll give them that. I think they deserve some credit.
And we're thinking really about Boris right now. What do you think he should be doing about this?
I think he should just give up, retire, let a seagull take over, because that could do a better job than he could.
And the seagulls have nearly finished their meeting. They're just summarising the minutes. With some tin biscuits. Tin biscuits. Minutes of the meeting, tin biscuits. Oh, did you see that one there just put up his hand?
Yeah.
He's got a question.
Excuse me, one more point, please.
Question, right, final point of the court.
If
And
you please kindly listen, I would like to make one more point.
can you summarise for us what's just happened in today's proceedings?
They've been discussing the legality of taking over the chip shops. They're working out how to get inside and cook their own chips. They're not going to do very well because they haven't got opposable thumbs, but they're planning a game of poker later.
Excellent. And we did just hear down here screams from the children population who detest the idea of losing their chip shop to the Seagulls.
Yeah, they're not happy.
As we can see, the Seagulls have met up again. Lorna, can you tell us more about what the Seagulls are doing now?
I don't know, mate. They're having meeting round 2. They've gone out there, they've gone, right, fuck this beach, it's a bit busy. How dare they? How dare they sneak in on our meeting? This is private, confidential business.
So they're
all fucked
reconvened.
off over there. Mark's being really loud. Mark's being way too loud. So they've gone, shut the fuck up, Mark. We're speaking. So Mark's gone, all right. I was just saying, there's a lovely bit of bread over here. Lovely bit of bread. Come on and have this bit of bread. And I was like, no, Mark, that's not bread. That's a sponge, you donut. Go back to bed where you came from. And then they're all like, where's the starlings at? Where's the starlings? We like the starlings. They like eating starlings and pigeons. They love eating pigeons.
Really?
I have seen a seagull eating a pigeon.
Wow.
Fucked me up.
So stage 2 is truly in progress.
Stage 2 is in progress. So now, like, right, who do we harass? Who do we harass now we haven't got starlings or people? What do we do? How do we get sandwiches? There's someone behind us with a croissant. Oh my God. They're going to smell it from out there.
We made a delicious Goan cauliflower curry for dinner with chickpeas, and it is really yummy.
Sorry, looks like your food just walked out.
And we're watching Community, and it's all good. My phone doesn't really do it justice.